Welcome to Easy Peasy English. If you haven't yet, subscribe. English idioms. Number 1. Under the weather. When you're under the weather, you feel sick or unwell. Example: I feel under the weather today, so I'm going to stay in bed. 2. The ball is in your court. The ball in your court means that a decision is up to you. Example: You have told her how you feel. The ball is in her court now. 3. Spill the beans. Spill the beans means to give away a secret. Example: It's a surprise party, so don't spill the beans. 4. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs means that it's raining very hard. Example: Don't forget your umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs. 5. A piece of cake. A piece of cake means that something is very easy. Example: My English homework is a piece of cake. 6. When pigs fly. When pigs fly means that something will never happen. Example: She'll clean her room when pigs fly. 7. To cost an arm and a leg. This means that something is very expensive. Example: That dress costs an arm and a leg. 8. Once in a blue moon. This means that something rarely happens. Example: I go to the cinema once in a blue moon. 9. Butterflies in my stomach. This means that you feel nervous about something. Example: Sarah had butterflies in her stomach before her exam. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe. See you next time.